Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool which you can use for any mathematical problem you have. So suppose you are solving a physics question and you don't know how to solve it, or you don't know what's the answer going to be. So you can come on this website which is called as Wolfram Alpha, and you can just post your question over here and it will easily answer in seconds. So this uses mathematical algorithms, knowledge base, and of course AI technology to solve your questions. So you can ask any questions related to the fields of mathematics, science and technology, society and culture, and everyday life. And there are more topics which are listed inside. So for now, I'll show you how it works in basic steps. So I have a problem which I'll type over here and let's see how it answers. Okay, so my question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. So as you can see over here, it didn't only solve the problem, but it also gave root plot, graphs out the points on the graph, and also it gave alternate form like how you can write the equation in, and it also represented it on the number line, and finally it also gave the solutions in decimal form. As you can see over here, if you want you can just click over here and it will give it in decimal form. So on the right hand side you can also click on the Tor button over here, like the option, and it will show you what is Wolfram Alpha. So if you are interested in learning more about this, you can just click on Tor and you will see what Wolfram Alpha is and what it is worked for. So there are a lot of options and a lot of information over here if you want to check it out, and I'll show you some few more questions which are right over here. Also, if you don't want to write your question in natural language, you can also write it in math input. So you can use this math formula kind of a format, and in that you can write your question like using this numerator and denominator if you want. So now I'll ask a medium level question on calculus and let's see how fast it solves the problem. So give me the derivative of 3x exponent to 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x minus 7 at x is equal to 2. As you can see, it also showed the input interpretation in math formula and the solution, which is 38, the derivative, and also the plot. So what I mean to say is it doesn't only give the answer, but it also gives the explanation with the plots. And I'll show one last question which is going to be a bit difficult. It's going to be about linear algebra. So my question is solve 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 4. This is kind of a linear question with 3 equations, and let's see how it solves. Wow, it is pretty quick to give you an answer for your questions. It literally took around 1 millisecond to answer this question. So the result is xyz values, and yeah, so this is how it works. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can use Wolfram Alpha completely for free. You can write your questions over here and you can use it for unlimited uses. There's no cost to use this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel, and also share my video to others. Thank you. Have a good day.